What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy, Tank Be Chopping, back with another video. Check it out, man. JRL sent your boy a package. Y'all know what it is, man. We're gonna go ahead and get into unboxing this box. Got a lot of stuff in here. Well, not a lot, but we got a few things in here, so I'm gonna let y'all know what JRL sent your boy. So without further ado, let's jump into this video. All right, man, check it out. Once again, we got this big package from JRL, but if y'all new to the channel, do your boy a favor, like this video one time for the one time, subscribe, y'all know, all that good stuff. But let's go ahead and get into opening this. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I already opened it. As y'all can see, the box is open, but we're gonna throw some of that out of there, and I'm gonna show y'all some of the stuff that they sent your boy. So check it out. This is what comes in the box. I don't know if y'all can see in there, but that's some of the stuff they sent me. So let's get into seeing some of the stuff they sent me. So they sent me some stuff from H14. This is some volumizing shampoo. We also got some volumizing conditioner. They sent me a cut and shave tonic, so it's like an aftershave. And then they also sent me some pomade. They sent your boy some shave gel, and I ain't gonna lie, I have used this shave gel before. It's some good shave gel. And then they also sent me some hair powder, texturizing powder. They sent your boy the JRL gloves. Check those out right there. And then the reason y'all probably clicked on this video, the reason y'all probably said, you know what, let me go holler at Tank's channel real quick and see if he's got this video up. The new JRL Diamante Clipper and trimmer right here, as y'all can see. You know, your boy had to get that nice yellow, that Lamborghini yellow, you know what I'm saying? If y'all don't know, JRL did collab with Lamborghini on this drop. Not sure exactly what that means exactly, but as you can see, this is the new Diamante from JRL. I've seen a couple people with it online already. I know JRL has been pushing it. A lot of people have been asking me for an unboxing and review. Your boy I just didn't have it in, you know what I'm saying? JRL reached out to me and they said, Tank, we gotta get you one. Which one you want? And I wanted to get this yellow just cause it's a little different, you know what I'm saying? I got a lot of black tools on my station as is, so I wanted to switch it up a little bit and go ahead and get me the yellow ones. So nonetheless, man, that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be unboxing this. Y'all saw the other stuff they sent me, and it's cool, right? Like, it's cool. I appreciate it, JRL. But let's be honest. The real reason why people are watching this video right now, and the real reason why I'm doing this video, is for this clipper and trimmer combo set right here. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this box. Check it out. As you can see, we got the clipper and trimmer on the box. Right here it says Diamante on there. Professional hair clipper and trimmer. Then we got the JRL professional logo and the Lamborghini logo. We have nothing on the side, so as we move around and turn it around to the back, y'all can see we got a little bit of stuff on the back, so I'm gonna go ahead and read some of this stuff for y'all, and then I'm gonna continue to unbox this and show y'all the actual clipper and trimmer. The Diamante Clipper 2025C. Brushless motor delivers ultra strong torque and lasting durability with 8,200 RPMs. Patented reset IQ charge technology expands battery life. Innovated upper-lower separation for quick hassle-free blade maintenance and replacement, so you can pop the blade off, and I'll show y'all that here in a minute. Precision fade blade with patented cool blade technology, stays ultra cool and sharp even after extended use. 4 hours of runtime. LED display indicates remaining battery life. Patented smart clip technology, features constant speed motor, won't drag or stall. So that's the clipper, right? Now we're gonna talk about the Diamante Trimmer 2025T. Brushless motor delivers ultra strong torque and lasting durability with 8,200 RPMs. Second generation easy gap for hassle-free up-down blade adjustment. Patented smart clip technology featuring constant speed, motor won't drag or stall. Patented reset IQ charge technology expands battery life, and ultra low noise. So that's what it says on the back. Let's go ahead and get into unboxing this, man. I know that's the reason why y'all watch this video right here. So let's get this thing out of here. I got to do this gently because I don't wanna rip the sleeve. But check it out. We take the sleeve off, and as you can see, we got a nice black on black box with just the JRL logo dead center. All right, so we got the lid off. So we're gonna put the lid to the side, and as you can see, we have the JRL Diamante flyer, professional hair clipper and trimmer, and then on the back they're showing their new Forte line, the Forte Pro Light, I think that's what it's called. Yeah, powerful ultra light hair dryer. I haven't tried these yet. I do have the Forte, the original hair dryer, and that's on my station to this day. That's a really good hair dryer, and I like to use it. Super quiet, works good. But once again, that's not why y'all watching this video. So as you can see, this is how the tools come packaged. You know, I really appreciate JRL for this packaging. It's a nice looking, and I done dropped the charging dock. It's all good though. We're gonna put that back in there. But like I was saying, I really appreciate JRL for this packaging. As you can see, they put some time into it, looks nice. But with that being said, let's go ahead and take out the clipper. So here's the clipper. As you can see, it comes in a nice plastic sleeve. We're gonna take that out of there. Does come with a blade cover, but this is the clipper. And if it's got a little bit of hair on it, I'm gonna be 100% honest with y'all. I did unbox this yesterday at the shop. Didn't do the video for the unboxing, but I was really excited to unbox it and try it, so I unboxed it. But check it out. As you can see, this is the clipper. We're gonna go ahead and take the blade cover off, and then I'm gonna show y'all the blade. So that is the fade blade on there. We do got a click lever. Nice feeling clicks. Feels similar to the JRL Onyx. Maybe feels a little more premium, if that makes sense. We do have the on and off switch on the side, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all. So it is a super quiet motor. Feels powerful in hand. And like I said, this is a super quiet motor. Now, it also does come with a lower speed. So here is the lower speed right there, and the higher speed right there. So I don't know if I could hear it on the mic. That's the higher speed, and that's the lower speed. So a lot of people ask, what's the reason for higher and lower speeds? A lot of times people like to use the lower speeds for detailing, so just wanted to put that out there. But moving back into the ergonomics of this clipper, as you can see, we have some grooves in the back for finger placement. Makes it feel really comfortable in hand. Like I said, on and off switch. We do have the charging port down here at the bottom. And also, I'm gonna take this little piece off. When we turn the clipper on, we get an LED screen. I don't know if y'all can see that on camera, but it says we got 2 hours left of runtime. So that's pretty dope. The back is glossy, and then the front is glossy as well. I'm not sure if the black version is like matte and gloss black, but this is not that one, so I can't really speak on that one. But same clipper, just different lids, right? So this is the lid for that one. This is how the clipper looks. All in all, feels really great in hand, man. Really enjoy it. Feels really comfortable. Like the clicks of it. You know, if you've had a lot of clippers like I have, you know, those clicks actually matter, right? But once again, super powerful motor right there. Y'all can feel it. Well, y'all can't feel it, but y'all can hear it. But once you turn this thing on, you feel the power in that. But let's go ahead and put that to the side, and then go ahead and proceed to take out the trimmer. So the trimmer comes with a sleeve as well, and then it does come with a blade cover, as y'all can see, but we're gonna take that off. So check it out, man. Here is the Diamante trimmer with the Easy Gap. I think it says second generation blade on there. So the thing about the Easy Gap blades is all you do is they have a tool in the box. Well, they should have it in the box. You stick it in these holes back here. I don't know if y'all can see the holes, but you turn it and it moves the blade up. So really easy to zero gap. I haven't zero gapped this yet. It's straight out the box, but feels like it's gapped pretty close. Looks like it's gapped pretty close. I might move it up just a little bit, just because typically I don't, but I've been trying to like zero gap my trimmers a little bit just to see if they actually hit a little better. Obviously they're gonna be a little sharper, but I wanna see if it makes them hit a little better. But here is the Diamante trimmer. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all. Same powerful motor, sounds really powerful in hand. You can feel the power, feel the vibration, but it's ultra quiet. I don't know if y'all can hear that on the mic, but it is a super quiet sounding trimmer. We do have some grooves in the back, just like the clipper. And then we have the charging port at the bottom. And as you can see, we got the Lamborghini logo on the front, just like we do with the clipper. But all in all, basically a smaller version of the clipper in a trimmer, in a compact size for the trimmer with a T-blade, an easy gap T-blade. Check that out right there. I don't know if it's focusing, but y'all can see that right there. But that is the trimmer. Same thing with the trimmer, man. Feels really good in hand, feels really comfortable, feels really powerful. And then as y'all can see on the blade, it says Easy Gap M, and that means that it's a metal blade. So JRL does have metal blades and ceramic blades, but that does come with the metal blade. And then they also sent your boy 2 charging docks in the package. So as y'all can see, we have the two charging docks right here. I haven't even used these charging docks yet. I honestly, man, I took it out the box and I put them to use yesterday just to see what they was talking about. You know, that's just how your boy did it. And I got a little bit of content for y'all. However, I'm not going to be posting the content on this video. Y'all going to have to wait for the actual review because I want to use it a little longer before I just start telling y'all how I feel about how it works, right? But I'm going to go ahead and show y'all the clipper and trimmer on the charger. Check that out. So we got the clipper and the trimmer on the charging docks that they sent. That's the clipper and the trimmer with the matching charging docks with the reset technology. That reset technology is basically maybe at the end of every week or every couple weeks when you put the clipper and trimmer on the charger, you press this button right here and it's gonna drain the battery completely and recharge it completely, like from the bottom up. So it's gonna be like a brand new tool all over again. So we're gonna go ahead and take this piece off of, take it out of the box, and then as you can see inside, we got a couple things in here. We got the clipper and trimmer manual that your boy never looks at. Let's be honest, don't nobody ever really look at that, right? Oh, and they did actually send your boy some guards for the trimmer, so that's pretty dope. I typically don't use guards on my trimmers, but some people do, right? So we do have 2 charging cords. The other one's the same exact way. I'm not gonna take it out the box, but the charging cord, you can connect this straight to the clipper or you can connect it to the charging dock and it will charge your tools once it's plugged in. We do have, I believe this is what, maybe a 0 gap setter. They got this in there, maybe a 0 gap setter, I'm gonna be honest. I ain't even gonna mess with that. I'm just gonna gap my tools how I normally do, right? If I do decide to 0 gap them. And this is the 0 gapping tool. Kind of looks like a screwdriver, but the front is a little different. I don't know if y'all can see it on screen, but it is a little different. We also get a regular screwdriver for 0 gapping the clipper blade. We get some oil. Like I said, we get some guards. I believe these are the original JRL guards. The ones that came out with the 2020C, right? So we get those guards. We get a half all the way up to number 4. And then here are the trimmer guards. I'm gonna grab one of these trimmer guards for y'all real quick. So this is the trimmer guard. I'm gonna pop this thing on the trimmer. So it fits nicely too, actually. This is a number 3. So you get, I don't even know what guard you get with the trimmer. You get a number 3, a 2.5, a 2, a 1.5. So that's the guard you get with the trimmer. So they got trimmer guards now. You know, people have been asking. I don't want to say everybody, but some people have been asking for guards. So they got guards now. I do know that Babyliss and Stylecraft and Gamma have trimmer guards. So now JRL's got some trimmer guards as well. But let's go ahead and pop out one of these guards for the clipper. I showed y'all the guard, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the clipper. Turn this thing on for y'all. I'm gonna be honest, I've just been using the guards on my station, and I'm gonna use the guards on my station. You know, I have the Babyliss premium guards and the dub guards, and those are like my favorite guards. Like I use those on all my haircuts. I really don't switch my guards unless the clipper needs a certain guard. But typically those are just the guards I use. Those are just the ones I like, and they work for me, right? Find whatever guard set works for y'all, and then y'all just, you know, use those guards. But I'm gonna put the trimmer guard on here again, turn it on. So as you can hear, it really doesn't make the trimmer louder with the guard on. Same thing with the clipper. The guard doesn't make the clipper louder. So that's dope. So once again, in the box, you get the clipper, the trimmer, you get the charging docks, you get 2 charging cords, guards for the trimmer, guards for the clipper, some oil, a screwdriver, and a 0 gap setter. And then I'm gonna take this out, and now you don't get nothing underneath that. So that's all you get, man. That's basically all you get. I say basically, but like that's really all you need, right? You don't need nothing extra. You don't need, you know, you got the charging cord, you got the charging base, you got some guards. If you ain't got no guards, you know what I'm saying? You got some oil, you got the zero gap setter. We got everything you need right here. Let me see if I can hold these right. There we go. I'm scared I'm gonna drop them, so I'm holding it kind of weird, but I'm sure I'll be all right. All right, check it out, man. Once again, the Diamante 2025 clipper and 2025 trimmer. Shout out to JRL once again. I do not have a discount code with them. But, you know, y'all make sure to check them out. Check out their website and purchase these if y'all been thinking about purchasing them, man. Like, if you want them, get them. If you don't, don't. I will be doing an updated video in about another week or so. Once I put these to use for a little bit and get a little better feel for them, see if they really gonna be my go-tos, right? Like, we're gonna see if these things gonna stay on the station or if I'm gonna put them back in the drawer. So y'all make sure to stay tuned for that. Once again, if y'all new to the channel, like this video, subscribe one time for the one time. That way y'all know every time I drop videos. And you know your boy be dropping gems on my channel, you know, haircut tutorials, unboxings, reviews. Sometimes I just be going live and just talking to y'all. So make sure y'all like and subscribe to my channel. That way y'all can get notifications every time your boy does drop a video. And then, like I said, I will be doing a review on these in about another week or two. So give me a week or two, man. Let me use these for a little bit and I'll let y'all know what I think about them. But nonetheless, the JRL Diamante clipper and trimmer combo set. Y'all know what it is, man. But with that being said, that's basically it for this video. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.